Twitter whistleblower and former Twitter executive Peter Mudge Zatko revealed the stunning things that Twitter executives did. According to Peter, any Twitter account can be hacked at any second. Also, Zatko recalled how the Twitter CEO misleadingly submitted fraudulent and deceptive reports to Twitter's board of directors in order to hide serious security problems at the company. More importantly, these new leaked details finally gave Elon Musk very important advantage to win this case. This is a mind-boggling story, so let's explain it. It's a well-known fact that Musk and his associates tried to extend the court date to a later time. An unnamed source close to the billionaire claimed the Tesla CEO wanted a court date in 2023 to build a better case. Law experts were initially unsympathetic with Musk. They believed not only would the multi-billionaire be denied an extension for the court date, but that Musk would eventually have to buy out Twitter for the $44 billion, as stated in the original agreement. Now, however, they believe that Musk might just get his way after all. Why is that? In August, former Twitter security head Peter Mudge Zatko filed a whistleblower claim against the social media platform as grossly negligent in several areas of information security. Zatko claimed that in spite of his report, Twitter went ahead with several security flaws, made false and misleading statements to users and the FTC, plus hired agents of foreign governments. In Musk's July 8th documents, the multi-billionaire claimed he was backing out of the multi-billion-dollar Twitter deal because the social media platform was grossly negligent and that the buyout deal was based on false pretenses. For instance, Musk claimed that Twitter CEOs failed to reveal the number of bots and false accounts on the site. In court documents that were made public just yesterday, Musk's legal team has subpoenaed Zatko to release any documents he might have that reveal Twitter's security breaches and negligence. Going by the name of Mudge, Peter Zatko is a veteran hacker and security expert who was hired by Twitter co-creator and former CEO Jack Dorsey in 2020. According to Zatko, the company deceived users, board members, and the federal government by misstating their security measures. Within a month of being onboarded, the security experts submitted a report that detailed gross discrepancies in Twitter's information security. What made Zatko's report even more significant was the fact that Twitter made a deal with the FTC in 2011, assuring them that the social media platform would create an extensive security platform to protect its users. Their former security expert, however, claimed that even high-profile accounts on the site were at risk of being hacked any second. Furthermore, Zatko stated that Twitter's SEC filings included untrue facts or omitted key facts necessary to render the statements therein not misleading. He also claimed that Parag Agrawal, Twitter's CEO, knowingly presented false and misleading reports to Twitter's board of directors in order to conceal serious flaws in Twitter's security and data protection infrastructure. Specifically, Zatko's report claims that Twitter executives presented a misleading presentation to board members in 2019, wherein they claimed that employee information data and data pertinent to the company was secured. The security expert, however, showed that over a third of the employees were not able to update their laptops with the latest security fixes. 30% of employees at Twitter were at a higher risk of having their data stolen. The other 70% was at a low to moderate risk. No one was safe. Twitter has criticized Zatko and strongly opposed his claims. Twitter responded on Tuesday to Musk's latest attempt to terminate the agreement, calling it invalid and unlawful. According to Twitter, Musk's letter is based solely on statements made by a third party that has previously stated are riddled with inconsistencies and inaccuracies and lack important context. Musk's attorney subpoenaed Zatko to release documents, including his February 2021 report. Zatko is required to respond by September the 9th. The former Twitter security expert told AFP that while he would release documents, reports, and necessary information to Musk's lawyers, his appearance during the trial would be involuntary. Zatko's lawyers went on to state that their client's February 2021 report was not intended to harm Twitter or to be used later to benefit Elon Musk. Instead, Peter Zatko wanted the public to understand the security risks attached with one of the world's most popular social media platforms. However, in a court filing on Monday, Musk's team suggested a new timeline that includes the trial taking place sometime in November, depending on the court's availability. A copy of former Twitter head of security and whistleblower Peter Mudge Zatko's disclosure was included as an exhibit to the motion, which was unopened. Musk's team has also requested the chance to improve their counterclaims and response to Twitter's original complaint. Musk uses Twitter whistleblower claims to back out of deal. Twitter spokesman said in a statement to CNN Business that the company is still committed to closing the transaction on the price and terms agreed upon with Mr. Musk. We have not breached any of our representations or obligations under the agreement and have not suffered and are not likely to suffer a company material adverse effect. Zatko's reports might suggest that Twitter had breached its arrangement with the FTC and that the social media platform had been negligent when it came to cybersecurity and protecting user information. Profiles can be hacked at any time. However, would the security expert's report be enough to extend the court date and eventually allow Musk to back out of the Twitter buyout? The former Twitter security expert was fired in early 2022 by Agrawal, ironically, around the same time Musk began to acquire more and more Twitter shares. As we mentioned, Alex Spiro, Musk's lawyer, said last week to CNN that they had subpoenaed Zatko even before his whistleblower complaint was revealed to the public. In a court hearing related to the case last Wednesday, Spiro mentioned Zatko multiple times. Spiro claimed during the hearing that Musk's team does not trust Twitter's estimates for spam accounts, a crucial figure it provides to investors, and said they were asking for information in order to test the assertions. On September 13th, Zatko is scheduled to appear before the Senate. That's it. Subscribe to our channel for more content. Bye!